Hey, Picars, good morning. Last day on the beach. And last night I had a little fun time with the family. Got them all together and asked them questions about cars and which ones they like, which ones they buy. So it's kind of interesting, the different responses depending on the age groups. In fact, I was kind of surprised with some of the answers. So should be a good one. Hope you enjoy. Okay, Trey Robbins, top 2 cars and why?
A Nissan GTR and a Ford GT because of legroom and headroom.
Do you know a car?
Nice. Okay. Have you sat in both of those?
Yes.
And you actually fit?
Yes.
And how tall are you?
6'8".
6'8". Okay. How much do you weigh?
Right now we get 3 days
Look
with all
at
the food we've eaten.
All right. Okay. So second question: if I gave you $50,000 today and you had to buy a car, what would it be?
Gen 2 Raptor, Gen 1 Raptor, or a Kia Stinger.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Will. Same question. Top 2 cars and why?
Alright, I'm gonna go with 2020 Corvette. I love Corvettes. My dad owned a Corvette, so I think it's kind of cool. Then I'm gonna go with a 2020 Jeep Wrangler. Same reason my dad owned a Jeep. Again, I think it's pretty cool.
Nice. Okay. So if I gave you $50,000 to go buy a car today, which one would it be?
I would actually buy a Chrysler 300 because I think it'd be cool because I want to be a lawyer eventually. And also, Walter White came from Chrysler 300 in Breaking Bad.
And, so all lawyers drive Chrysler 300s.
I don't know. I think.
Okay.
It's kind of cool.
Marley,
Right.
top 2 cars and why?
Oh, okay. A Raptor because my family owns them. They're awesome. And a Tesla because they're amazing.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
So if I gave you $50,000 today, what would you go buy?
A Raptor.
A Raptor. Nice. And how old are you?
10.
Okay. Will, how old are you?
19.
And how old are you?
Too old.
Too old. Madeline, who is 18. Top 2 cars and why?
A Audi Q5 or Q3 because they're safe and they're cute. And
So those are your 2 cars?
no,
Oh.
one of those.
Oh, one of
or
those.
A BMW.
Okay. So if I gave you $50,000 today, convertible, what would you go buy?
The convertible.
The convertible BMW?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Avery, who has just turned 16,
Yes, sir.
just got her license. So congratulations. Top 2 cars and why?
My top 2 cars would be the Hyundai Tucson because it's really easy to drive and I'm really basic, I'm sorry. And then the Jeep Cherokee because
Jeep
then again
Cherokee.
it was easy to drive.
Okay. $50,000 today, what would you go buy?
Probably, okay, so a red Bug convertible with a black top.
Nice. Good car. All right, who is that? Annabelle?
Hi.
You just turned 15. So top 2 cars and why?
McLaren, because that's just cool.
Yeah.
And a Cybertruck, because like if you're gonna get an expensive car, you want one that's like kind of indestructible, so like you can't just scratch it, so you're not worried about it like getting hurt.
That's facts. Okay, if I gave you $50,000, what would you go buy?
Maybe a Tesla Model X.
Good choice. All right, Liv, you are 17? 18? All right.
Get it right.
Top 2 cars and why?
Probably like a Range Rover and a Land Rover.
Okay,
I
gotcha.
don't really know why.
Because they're just cool.
I don't know many cars.
So if I gave you 50 grand, which one would you buy? Or would you buy another car?
I'd probably buy like multiple
Okay.
cheap ones.
Like $5,000, $10,000 cars?
Oh yeah.
Sweet. All right, mama. Mid 40s is all I'll say. Right?
Low 40s. Okay.
Low 40s?
Early 40s.
Early, there you go. Early 40s.
20s.
Top 2 cars and why?
Probably a Land Rover.
Nice.
Or the car I have is great.
And what is that?
It's a BMW
Okay,
X5.
X5, okay.
Diesel.
Diesel for sure.
Yep.
If I gave you $50,000, what would you go buy?
I probably would just
hand it over to you because you would decide anyway.
I'm not that controlling.
Epic cars.
Epic Cars, baby. All right. Sister,
Yes.
low 40s, early
Um,
40s.
Yeah, mid 40s.
Top 2 cars and why?
Okay, so I would go with the Audi A8 Premium Plus
Nice. Car?
package.
So you wouldn't get a SUV?
No, I'm tired of driving SUVs.
Wow. That's interesting.
No, I've driven a mom mobile my whole life.
So you want a car?
Like, I want a fast
Sweet.
car.
A8.
fast car?
Nice.
I want a fun car.
Porsche Panamera.
What'd you say, Audi what?
No,
A8,
okay,
L.
so Audi A8 or the Mercedes GLE 43 AMG.
What? 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 What?
But they're too expensive, so I can never ever get them.
account, Dad.
$50,000 tomorrow, what would you buy? Dude, she's put a lot of time and thought into
I
this.
know. I was a
No,
little
we've been
shocked.
looking at them, so $50,000 has to be low. I'd buy a Jeep,
Like a Wrangler?
like a souped up Jeep.
Like Wrangler, though?
What?
Or like an off-road.
What is going on?
Who is she? We went test her.
I don't know you.
say you didn't like it.
You said you didn't like
It was
it.
all like little
You just
Barbie doll.
you said you
I
wanted
want
a
like
jacked up Jeep.
I want one like our neighbor has, like a fancy one.
Wait.
What?
Boiled.
What happened?
My dream wife just came out, apparently.
Bring her to Florida, it turns into Dream
Okay,
Wife.
I'm done. Your turn.
All right, Matthew, top 2 cars and why?
Gen 1 Raptor and a Gen 2 Raptor, mostly for just off-roading.
Okay, how old are you again?
17.
17? Okay, 50,000 tomorrow, what would you buy?
A used Hellcat.
Interesting.
Sounds interesting.
All right, Mason, 19?
I would say a 2014 Ford Raptor or an F650 pickup.
Wow. F650?
650.
Okay, and a 2000, what did you say, 2014? Okay, so 50,000 tomorrow, what would you buy?
If you could find one, a used Dodge Demon.
For 50 grand? Yeah, I don't know if you could, they're like 90 to 100.
That or just a. Oh yeah, Ford Raptor.
Ford
Gen
Raptor,
1 Ford
6'2"?
Raptor. Yeah.
And that, I was gonna clarify that, 6'2" for you?
6'4",
They both on
6'5".
5.4s because Dad didn't want them going
It's
fast.
very slow.
Yeah. All right, guys, Epic Cars, baby. That's the facts.
You're funny.